Kumuha na.
So, buksan pa po natin ang essence. Sabi po natin, when you graduate from UP,
Hi guys.
and in my case, ISNF, excellence is
Hi
not
Denise.
an expectation.
Human ecology teaches us that we are part of interconnected systems. We cannot kill an individual, a very human being, without healing their environment.
These are the dreams transformed by our values. It's not the one who's
Taga masasa lang siya.
Pagbayan o
For kids.
Ano siya, pang sensory. Ayoko. Abangan na lang doon.
Ganda.
Kaya naman, hindi tayo maaaring manahimik kapag sumasabog ang isang matinding crisis sa politika. Sa bilyong-bilyong pisong peke flood control projects na naglulubog sa ating mga komunidad habang nagpapakasasa sila sa kanilang kaban ng yaman. Mga LGU,